So as you can see, we are right now on Kaspa Coin. And if you missed our previous analysis, don't worry, you can check the link in the comment section to catch up. In that breakdown, I clearly mentioned that if Kaspa breaks above the upper trend line and gives us a proper retest, we can look for a buy setup from there to the upside. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. Price broke above our marked trend line, came back for a retest, and delivered a clean short-term bullish move to the upside. So if you followed that setup, congratulations. You definitely caught that move. Now let's focus on what is currently happening on the 1 hour time frame. At this moment, Kaspa is showing a shift in structure, and the market has transitioned into a downtrend direction, forming a clear series of lower highs and lower lows. This confirms that sellers are temporarily in control of the market. When we draw our trend line joining the recent swing highs, you can clearly see that this trend line has been respected multiple times. Each time price tapped this zone, we got a bearish rejection, a strong indication that sellers are still defending this level aggressively. Here's what I'll be waiting for next. If price comes back to test this trend line again around 0.052 and gives us a bearish candlestick confirmation, something like a rejection wick, an engulfing candle, or a strong bearish close, then that could be a signal to look for a short-term sell setup from that zone back down toward the lower support levels. However, if the market does not respect that trend line and instead breaks above it, that will be our cue that buyers are taking control once again. In that case, I'll patiently wait for a retest around the same 0.052 zone. Look for a bullish candlestick confirmation and then look to buy from there to the upside. In summary, Kaspa played perfectly in our previous analysis, and right now the market is temporarily in a downtrend direction, forming lower highs and lower lows while respecting a descending trend line. So if price comes back to test this trend line and rejects, I'll look to sell from there to the downside. But if it breaks through, I'll wait for the retest and switch bias to the upside with a bullish confirmation. Remember, trading is not about prediction, it's about reaction. Be patient, wait for confirmation, and never chase price. The market always rewards discipline and punishes impatience. So, what do you think, traders? Will buyers take over again from the retest, or will sellers continue to dominate Kaspa? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And tell me which coin you want me to analyze next. Until then, trade smart, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next video.